Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Gimkit. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in gimkit.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gimkit website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button within the homepage and proceed forward with your Google account or your email address and password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage. Now, if you wish to delete your account, click on the Me icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. From the Settings page, if you scroll all the way down and click on Danger Zone, you will now see the Delete My Account button. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. If you wish to confirm, then simply type in Delete My Account within the given box. After typing this in, you can click on the Continue button and this will become your confirmation in order to delete your account. After this, you will be logged out from your account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. If you don't log back in for at least 3 weeks, then your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your existing account on the Gimkit website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.